card in JSX, a button, an image, and text, all nested in a div. A button, an image, and text, all nested in a div. A button, an image, and text, all nested in a div. The button won't click what to do, useState to the rescue. Type it out, import useState from React. Comes like setLikes, useState, add likes to the button to show the state. Add handleClick to the button to handle onClick handle. Click won't need a lot, just update state with setLikes, likes, likes, setLikes, likes, updates, likes, likes, setLikes, likes, updates, likes, likes, setLikes, likes. Using state is as simple as that. You just need to remember how to update. Don't assign the likes, you set likes instead. That way React knows when to update. Don't assign the likes, you set likes instead. That way React knows when to update. But let's think a little bit about our next step. JSX is nice, but it gets a little thick. Let's refactor out the image to make it easy. Create a new file, call it CardImage JSX. It's a component just like card, just a function. CardImage export default, return the JSX. We are ready to begin. Copy over JSX to our newly minted module. It looks the same, it's just in its own little module. Pass down data with the prop. The prop is called imgSrc. That makes it easy for you and me. Pass down data with the prop. The prop is called imgSrc. That makes it easy for you and me. Now import CardImage into card, nested into the card. Pass down props from parent to child. 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 Let's think a little bit about our next step. JSX is nice, but it gets a little thick. The button is too much for my eyes to see. It's got not one prop, it's got two. Think long and hard about what we're gonna do. Copy the JSX into a new file. Call it LikeButton, that will make me smile. It's a component just like CardImage, just function LikeButton. Export default, return the JSX. We are ready to begin. Copy over JSX to our newly minted module. It looks the same, it's just in its own little module. Pass down data with a prop and stop. It's got not one prop, it's got two. It's got not one prop, it's got two. We need the props. How many likes do we have? Pass down the prop, it's called likes. We need the props. How many likes do we have? Pass down the prop, it's called likes. We need the props. onClick, what do we call? onClick means we like it, so let's say on. Like to show we like it. We pass two props, it's not one, it's two. We pass two props, it's got not one prop, it's got two. One is called likes to show how much we like it. One is called unlike to show what happens when we click. Using props and state to simplify. Break it down into pieces, give it a try. With every component, our code's less thick. React helps us make everything just click. Using props and state we simplify. Break it down into pieces, give it a try.